Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT to assist you in video creation. So the first use case we have is asking ChatGPT to make you a video intro or summarize some bullet points you can use for a video intro. So if you go ahead and ask ChatGPT to make us an intro for a video about using ChatGPT to make videos, as you can see, it's going to give us a intro we can use. What if I want that intro to be a bit more summarized and clear? I can just ask him to summarize it in bullet points, and as you can see, it'll summarize it in simple bullet points you can use. So our second use case is having ChatGPT just give us video ideas on what to make on a certain topic. So if I just ask ChatGPT, can you please give me some video ideas for making social media tutorials, for instance, like the type of videos we make on this channel, and he can give us multiple points we can use. So if I just ask him that, as you can see, he's going to give us a lot of results. And you can just keep going. You can ask him to give you 20 more and another 20 more. You can basically just have infinite video ideas just by using this method. As you can see, he gave us a bunch of video ideas. So our third use case is using ChatGPT to correct grammar for video subtitles or video descriptions. Like YouTube auto-generated subtitles are usually punctuated. So you can just take them and ask ChatGPT to punctuate them. I've just asked ChatGPT to correct the following text and just write a sentence in broken English. He can correct that sentence perfectly, even better than applications like Grammarly or Microsoft Word. So our fourth and final use case is just using ChatGPT to make video descriptions. Like what if I have a video script and want to put that in the description but don't know exactly what to write? I know people struggle a lot with writing good descriptions that actually give you the point of the video without being too long. So if you just ask ChatGPT for a random script about a tutorial video or whatever, and after that ask him to summarize it into however many words you want, but just I'm just going to ask him to summarize it for a YouTube description. As you can see, he's going to give us a paragraph we can use as a video description, and he does this really well. So just however big your video is, you can just give him the script or whatever, or even the subtitles, and he can give you a well summarized description that carries over the bullet points you actually wanted to have in your video. And that's basically it, guys, for the video. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.